Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Fadali and this video is about the touch command. The touch command allows you to create a blank new file, okay, with the help of Linux command line. Okay, with the help of touch command, you can simply create a new blank file, okay? It could be any kind of the file. Alright, so first of all, I have to open up the terminal. Now I have to open up the files, okay? So now I just want to create a new file inside my home directory. So for that, I'm gonna simply write the touch new file.txt. okay, this will simply create a new file and I can create okay, so I have just created a file but with the wrong format, so I'm gonna create, it would be the text. Alright, so you can see here you can create any kind of the file with the help of the touch command. So I just want to create the HTML file, web.html. it will simply create the HTML file. Alright, so if you just want to create a file inside the specific directory, so all you need to do, first of all, I just have to write the pvd because I just want to see the path. Okay, so for that, all you need to do, you're gonna write the touch, then you have to write the path of that directory, which is home. All right, okay, so I just want to create a new file inside the new directory, this directory. Okay, so I'm gonna just hit the enter and it will simply create a new created file for me, okay, in the specific directory. So this is how it works. If you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.